model, 57 plate Ford Ranger Navara Thunder 4WD Black Crew Cab Pickup Truck 12 months MOT. Body, black 4x4. Mileage, 166945. MOT, the 11th of February 2026. Engine, 2499 cc 2.5 TDCI EU4. Transmission, 5-speed manual 4x4. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. The gearbox and transmission are in good condition and it pulls well through all gears. No lights on the dash. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. This truck comes with a bed canopy and 12 months MOT. It is ready to drive away. Features: 0 former keepers, electric windows, 2 keys. EU status, Euro 4. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 0740119